Here's what he done. What he done? He done nothing. Hey, bro. That officer done nothing.
Unbelievable.
And then at the council office. What are they doing?
Excuse me, Mr. Red Hat Man. That is not too civil of you. Don't use
We're allowed to. They're trying to take down the flag. Down. They're trying to force it down. The police are, it looks like the police are trying to cause a scene. Look at that. Look what they're doing. Look what the police are doing. What are they doing? What are the police doing here?
Move down the stairs. It's not safe on these stairs.
What are they doing?
Just for the bottom of the stairs. Guys, just for the bottom of the stairs, please.
Have a look at this. Look at the police behaviour. What are they doing to this lady? Yeah, if anyone's seeing this, get it clipped out. Get this clipped. Get the footage out there if anyone's seeing it.
To join the stairwell.
Look what they're doing. Look how they're treating this lady here.
Right. I don't mind you filming. I'm going to need to move off the stairs because they're going down.
Yeah, well, when they move, I'll move. That's okay.
Just down to the bottom of the stairs, please, guys. Thank you. Just be careful of the stairs, guys. Don't walk back.
Yeah, have a look at this. Look at the actions of the police here. Look at this action. How are they behaving like this?
Every single bit of it, Sarah. Section 17 of the Public Order Act allows us to film this. Exactly. We're not in the way.
No.
No, we're far enough away. We're far enough away. No, I'm far enough away. I'm far enough away.
What do you think of all this?
I'm far enough away. Please. I'm far enough away. No. No.
Step back a little bit, take a bit of space.
I'm going here, I'm not going any further.
Look at this, 2.5 metres.
Just take back
2.5 metres.
We've got the legislation on paper here.